Every morning, I strive to have a high-protein breakfast, and I was looking for chicken sausage, but I couldn't find anything that was clean enough or cheap enough, so I decided to make it myself. It may seem like a lot of ingredients I'm going to add to make my chicken sausage, but they're all important, and you can take out anything you want, but this is going to taste great. I'm going to start with salt, pepper, thyme, garlic powder, smoked paprika. I've got nutmeg, fennel, and sage. So I want to mix these all first to make sure they're well combined before I add them to the ground chicken. All right, this is our ground chicken. It doesn't look like much, but it's going to turn into something wonderful, especially when we add our seasonings, because ground chicken doesn't have any flavor to it. I've got chopped onion and maple syrup for a little sweetness. Then I'm going to combine everything together, and then I'm going to shape them into patties. I'm going to move this to the side, and they will be sticky. Okay, I've moved the patties onto parchment paper and put a new cutting board underneath so it'll be easier to move them. Now we're going to go over to the stove. All right, so I'm checking the temperature of all of them, and they need to be at least 165, just like as if you were cooking regular chicken. And they're ready to go off. And now I'm going to cook an egg for each of us to go with our chicken sausage. So more protein. Okay, cook our next egg. A little green onion for garnish. I love green onions, so.
This smells, I don't know, different. No preservatives.
Now I want to say that, yes, I am retired, so I have time to make this kind of wonderful breakfast every day. Most people probably won't, but let me tell you. So it's packed with protein.
It didn't take that long.
And low carbs. No, it didn't. And once you make a bunch of the patties, then you have them for a few days.
You've frozen these and pulled them out of the freezer before.
Right, right.
So it's quick, it's easy, to the point.
Make them ahead. Be prepared.
Be amazed. Who thinks, it's breakfast sausage? It's, right. I don't know.
Well, when I went in the stores, if they even had chicken sausage patties, they either had a lot of bad ingredients in them or they were very expensive and better quality. So.
A lot of preservatives, and you don't get that from this.
Oh, wow.
Allow me to taste. I've already tasted it before. Really good.
Really good.
Very simple, delicate.
I love the maple syrup in it. So just a hint of sweetness.
And you did a couple drops of maple syrup on the top as a finishing, which we didn't show. Yeah, this is delicious.
This is really good.
I
mean, this is how we like to eat our eggs. You don't even have to have it with eggs, or you could put it in an English muffin.
Hashtag breakfast for dinner. When I was a little kid, my mom would make breakfast for dinner sometimes, and it was one of our favorite meals.
I'm just going to keep eating.
Nice job, Bridgetta.
Thank you very much. Well, I hope you try this.
Please like and subscribe so Bridgetta makes more awesome dishes like this for Mark.
Right?
Wow.
Very good. And of course, the recipe is in the description box.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeeze.